Hello everyone, welcome to Clarity 16.1.2 Feature Supportability Training. I am Ramakrishna. In this section, we will be talking about Investment Canvas Widget Configuration Options. What's new? In 16.1.2, as part of Investment Canvas Widget Configuration Options, we made widgets configuration more responsive. Why is this important? Customers are using Canvas for quick reference of data. Goal is to make the widget configuration more responsive to improve the ease of use and enhance the user experience. Let us go through the details of Investment Canvas widget configuration options. In 16.1.2, in non-configure mode, pie chart, bar chart and table widget has an expand button. User can click on this expand button and preview the widget information in a pop-out. Investment Canvas widget configuration options continued. In 16.1.2, in configure mode, pencil icon is changed to gear icon to get into edit mode and edit the widgets. These changes are also available on pages and status reports. Investment Canvas widget configuration options continued. In 16.1.2, in configure mode, a confirmation pop-up will be displayed while changing the columns layout for Canvas, and the layout will change after user clicks proceed. Number tile, progress ring, pie chart, bar chart are more responsive. Example, text size within the charts increases when chart size is increased in the canvas. Also, font color for number tile and progress ring are configurable. Number tile border is removed. Investment Canvas widget configuration options continued. In 16.1.2, in grids, the widgets are more responsive. We replaced context menu with 3-dot actions menu to edit or remove widgets. User can click on expand button on pie chart, bar chart and preview the widget in a pop-out. Let us look at the changes for Investment Canvas table widgets. In 16.1.1, in configure mode, for table widgets, each subobject was displayed in Configure Canvas Widgets tab. User drags the subobject table widget onto the canvas to configure the table widget. In 16.1.2, in configure mode, for table widgets, there is only one table widget displayed in Configure Canvas Widgets tab. User drags the table widget onto canvas, that opens a pop-up and user selects the subobject in the pop-up to configure the table widget. Investment Canvas table widgets continued. In 16.1.1, in configure mode, user drags the table widget onto canvas and create a table widget on canvas that would display 3 columns by default. In non-configure mode, user clicks on configure button that would open table widget pop-up, and user can modify grid by using the columns panel filters in edit mode. Whereas in 16.1.2, in configure mode, user drags the table widget onto canvas that opens a pop-up and user selects the subobject in the pop-up to configure the table widget. User can modify grid while creating the table widget in pop-up. User can edit table widget by clicking on configure button present on table widget. Investment Canvas table widgets continued. In 16.1.1, in configure mode, table widgets counter is displayed on each table widget to indicate the number of respective table widgets configured on canvas. In 16.1.2, in configure mode, table widget counter displays total number of table widgets configured on the canvas. At the top, a counter displays total number of widgets configured on the canvas, and on hover will display a tooltip. A combined maximum of 10 chart and table widgets may be added to the canvas with a maximum of 7 table widgets. In this demonstration, you will see enhancements to widgets configuration including table widgets. For the demo purpose, I logged into a Clarity system and navigated to a project canvas of project Able Payments module. In 16.1.2, in non-configure mode, as we can see, the configure button is not clicked, so we are in a non-configure mode. Pie chart, bar chart and table widget has expand buttons. This is the expand button. User can click on the expand button and preview the widget information in a pop-out. Let us click on configure button and we can see that the pencil icon is changed to gear icon to edit any of the widgets, that is to get into the edit mode of any of the widgets. Now let us click on this gear icon and we can get into edit mode of pie chart. Similarly, click on configure of bar chart and we can actually edit the bar chart. Now let us go to the layout and try to change the layout, and in 16.1.2 a confirmation pop-up will be displayed while changing the columns layout for canvas, and the layout will change after the user clicks on proceed. We can see the changes now. Now let us go back to 6 columns. Number tile, progress ring, pie chart and bar chart are more responsive. Text size within the charts increases when chart size is increased in the canvas. Now let us see how it works. As you can see, the text size increased and pie chart is more responsive. Number tile, font color in number tile and progress ring are configurable. Now let us change the color of the progress ring text to something like red. Click on save and we can see that the color changed. Another thing to note is in 16.1.2 number tile border is removed. So let us look at the changes done to the widgets on the grid that are more responsive in 16.1.2. I am presently in tasks module and I am looking at the widgets on this module. As we can see, the context menu is replaced with 3-dot menu for actions like configure and remove, and this 3-dot menu is available on all types of widgets. Now there is an expand button that is available for bar chart and pie chart, where the user can click on the expand button and view the chart in a pop-out. We are presently looking at 16.1.1 system. To configure a table widget, we click on configure button and get into canvas configure mode. Each sub-object was displayed separately to create a table widget. User used to drag the table widget onto the canvas, and a table widget is created of the sub-object type that has been used with 3 columns that is displayed on the canvas. User clicks on done, and in non-configure mode user used to click on configure button to edit the created table widget. Say for example, I am trying to add couple of columns to the existing table widget, and once I am done with the changes, I click on done, and user can actually see the changes of the table widget that have been done previously. In 16.1.1 in configure mode, table widget counter is displayed on each table widget to indicate the number of respective table widgets configured on canvas. Let us look at the changes made in managing table widgets. In 16.1.2, we are presently looking at 16.1.2 system. When user clicks on configure, user can see only one table widget under widgets tab of configure canvas. User drags the table widget onto the canvas and then selects the subobject for which a table widget is being planned to be created, and the grid gets displayed in the pop-up. User can actually make the changes to the grid and then click on create. Now the table widget is created and gets displayed on the canvas. User can click on configure button here in configure mode itself to edit the table widget that has been created. User can also make use of filters if they want to basically to manage the grid. Now when user clicks on done, the table widgets get updated with the changes that have been made. When user clicks on done, the canvas will display the table widget created in non-configure mode. In 16.1.2 in configure mode, the table widget counter displays the total number of table widgets configured on the canvas. Also at the top, a counter displays total number of widgets configured on the canvas, and on hover will display a tooltip. A combined maximum of 10 chart and table widgets may be added to the canvas with a maximum of 7 table widgets. These are the changes made to table widgets in 16.1.2. That concludes this section. Thank you.